Sit down, boys.
Okay, I've just been inside hive 3, checking to see if that all those queen cells had hatched or whatever. That was Friday. Today is Tuesday, I believe. And I have that frame. And you can see on one side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 queen cells. And it looks like the queen has killed that one with white in it.
Wow,
And the others have emerged. The other 3 have emerged. I'm not sure. And actually you can see all the white around the...
I love these guys, Rocco. I love these girls. Good girls. Good girls.
One landed on my finger there. And this is the side that had the 11 queen cells.
Whoa.
And as you can see, they're all, but that one looks like it had, she must have went over and stung it while it was still in the cell.
Don't tickle.
And there's one more I see. I don't have nothing to pick it with, but I'll have to pick that one right there because but yeah, so it was a successful launch. The hive now has a queen, and you can tell, but look at the brood, there's a shit ton of brood again, so yeah. That all worked out just exactly as planned. So good for the bees because they took care of that problem by themselves. I didn't have to interfere. And the bottom line is I got a queen. You can see I don't know if you can see inside the cells, there's nectar, there's pollen, there's honey up here in the corner that in both corners and the side here, that's honey. So this is all ready for babies, which I probably would imagine they'll be filled here in no time. And up here in the corners, yeah, you got a bit of honey, and yeah, same thing, pollen. So,
you're a nerd. Oh, Rocco dog. Oh, Rocco dog.
so it looks really good. Fucking bee crawled up my leg. Good thing I got him out. Little bee in there crawled up my leg.
Oh, he's on your shoe. On your lace. There you go.
Yeah, there's a few of them. That's what happens when you hold that frame.
Yeah. I got bare legs.
You just move it over here.
They're smart.
So, and you can see by the amount of bees there in hive 3 that I'll just close them up now, and they brood on pretty well. You can see that first frame there is full of honey, so yeah, looking good. I'll have to check that frame, Peter, but as you can see, they're both sides steadily up and down it. So it looks like we have a successful queen transfer. Which is good. That means the hive is strong, so it'll just keep building and building and building. getting ready for the winter. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. The next one is Hive 1. Change out that green box probably tomorrow. Extremely happy that it all worked out. The queen's released. She's laying. All is good. I'm sure the bees are a lot happier now with the queen that's laying. Take care. Have a good summer.